welcome to Lifestyles by Lola. I'm Lola. So what do you do with all of the holiday cards you've been receiving all season long? Make a gratitude tree. It's a great way to celebrate and remember all of the people who have sent you holiday cards this year, last year. It's just a beautiful thing. Get the kids involved because it's just taping the cards on the wall. Start with one card and build out. Add an additional card for each row to get a nice triangle shape. It's great for the college student that's away from home that wants to display the cards that they've received from their friends and family, and even the bachelor that's not ready to commit to a Christmas tree. Happy holidays. Do a gratitude tree. If you don't have enough cards for this year's tree, make sure you send out cards so that you'll have enough for next year. And I will see you in 2019. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Lifestyles by Lola.